This How to 1 Minute will show you how to change the default search URL slug in WordPress. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to change your default WordPress search slug. First of all, we want to install and activate a plugin. To do that, hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here WP code and search for it. And this is the plugin we are looking for. So install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin successfully activated, in this left-hand menu, here you will get this option code snippets. So hover over on it and click on add snippet. And now find out this add your custom code snippet. So we will use this snippet, right? So click on use snippet. And I'm giving the snippet title or name. And now in this video description below, you will get this PHP code. All you have to do is just copy and paste this code here. Code type, click on this drop down and here select PHP snippet. Once done, scroll down. Insert method, select auto insert. Location, select run everywhere. And now we need to active this snippet. So toggle this option to activate. Once done, click on save snippet. Once the custom snippet saved, and now visit your WordPress site and perform a search. Now take a look at your browser's address bar. Here you will see the new SEO-friendly search URL. This is how we can easily change the default search URL slug in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.